Anxiety disorders affect people in different ways. Join Dr. James Dua on today's show and every Saturdays and learn more about health disorders. Today, we'll look into the different levels of anxiety, including symptoms and severity of impairment. This show is yours. Hi, as I said, my name is James Dua. I humbly welcome you to today's show on anxiety. Everyone has a feeling of anxiety at some point in their lives, and a certain amount of anxiety is normal. Normal? Yes, normal. Like when you are about to take an examination or a job interview, have you ever wondered why you feel overwhelmed and uncomfortable? That's it. However, anxiety disorders are defined by excessive worry that are disrupt to normal life or normal function. This can start as early as 11 years of age. Now, let's jump to levels of anxiety. As we have said, here we are going to talk about 4 levels. These levels are mild anxiety, moderate anxiety, severe anxiety, panic level anxiety. These levels, mid, moderate, severe, and panic levels, can be influenced by personal influence, like a personality, coping with different circumstances in life, and life experiences and gender. Let's start looking into these levels one by one. And here we'll talk about mild anxiety. Mild anxiety, this level presents what we call social anxiety or shyness. This happens in every childhood to adulthood. Care need to be taken to address this because it can lead to more mental condition which can be so bad. We go to moderate anxiety. On this second level, a person experiences frequent symptoms. A person is not calm but still have better daily functioning. They can have success in life despite their condition, which the help of medical doctor or self-help, the condition can be treated. And third level, which is severe anxiety, the person has a frequent increased heart rate, feeling of panic, and social withdrawal. It distracts daily function, and loss of work, and healthcare cost is increased. Many turn to alcohol and drugs to cover up the symptoms. One of my cousins, I remember one time, he had one. He was struggling at work with it, and he even lost his job a few months down the line as he was fired, and later on he turned to the drugs and alcohol. He was arrested several times, and through the help of primary care provider, he was treated and he started doing well. And let's go to the last level, which is panic level anxiety. It is a frequent occurring and unexpected panic attacks. These attacks just come boom. Person experiences heavy breathing, onset extreme fear of death with no reason. Attacks last around 10 minutes from onset. Let's have time for physical exercise, therapy like yoga, meditation, and visit the clinic for medication if you experience this kind of symptoms. Thank you for your precious time to listen to your program. You can also visit www.cdc.gov depression anxiety.html for more information on the mental health. Till next Saturday, have a blessed weekend. Bye.